In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer calls from your iPhone to your AirPods very quickly. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can also turn on the notifications so every time we post a new video, you get notified. Okay guys, so the first thing we need to make sure is that you have your AirPods on and they're connected. So I'm going to go ahead and give my mom a call and I'm going to show you how you can switch where the audio is coming from. So right now it's coming from my AirPods, but if you want them to come from your iPhone, go ahead and select iPhone. All the volume and the audio is going to be on your iPhone. Now, if you want it on speaker, you can select speaker, or if you want it back to your AirPods, simply select more AirPods or your AirPods. And that's it, you guys. I hope this video helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe.